Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Python project which is entitled as Pancreatic Tumor Detection using Image Processing. So in this project we have used the CNN model architecture and the training accuracy is about 98.7% and validation accuracy is of 100%. So for the data set we have used the data set from this cancer imaging archive. So here for the pancreatic and for the non-pancreatic we have taken this data set from these links of it. So here you can see the data set which consists of normal pancreas and which is about 9.3 GB, but we have not used all the images that is given in this dataset because of the large file size. We have used the a few images from this dataset. So let me show you the dataset. So here in the model you can see this test and train folders where you can see the train. Let me show you the normal and the pancreatic. So here you can see the dataset that we have trained up with. And coming back to the pancreatic tumor, you can see the dataset images that we have trained up with. So all this dataset has been taken from that cancer imaging archive. The image format is different, so we have converted that format to our JPEG format and we have trained up the system. So now let us see the execution of the project. So just copy the source code location, go to the command prompt, go to the source code location, type python app.py and click enter. Now you can copy this URL, go to your browser, paste it, and now you can see the home screen or welcome screen of the project with the project title Pancreatic Tumor Detection using Image Processing. Just click this login menu, so it will be navigated to the login page. This is a static login page because we have not used any database in this project. So just enter the default username and password as admin and then click login. And once the login is successful, it will be navigated to the preview part where you can upload the test image and preview it and then go for the prediction part. So just click this browse button. Now you can go to the source code location and in the upload, let me first go with the normal one. So let me enter some normal image and then click submit. And now you can see the result. So here is the result of this pancreatic tumor detection. The predicted result is normal one. So let me click the preview menu again. Now I will go with the pancreatic tumor. Let me select some image and then click submit. And now you can see the predicted result is pancreatic tumor. Let me go for the preview part and let me select some other image and then click submit, and now you can see the prediction result is pancreatic tumor. Let me select some other image and click submit, and you can see the predicted result is pancreatic tumor. So for the scenario I have shown with the few images on both the cases, normal and the tumor, pancreatic tumor case. So you can also check with the other images. So now let me go to the performance analysis part. So in the performance analysis part you can see the accuracy, precision, recall value and F measure value, and you can see the confusion matrix of it. And last comes the chart part. So this is a static chart which consists of percentage of both normal and pancreatic tumor. This data is being depicted from the dataset that we have trained up with, so which consists around 61.5% of pancreatic tumor and 38.5% of normal images. And let me log out, and this is all about the project pancreatic tumor detection using image processing, and thank you for watching.